Hey guys, today I'm making roasted chickpeas. So for this I just need a can of chickpeas, olive oil, and then just whatever spices you want to use. It's a pretty simple recipe. So, alright, now I'm just going to preheat the oven to 375 and we'll get started on the prep. Okay, so I drained the can and then I have my chickpeas laying out now. So we're just going to put a little bit of oil on them. And then my spices. I have some garlic salt. And then this Southwest seasoning mix. And that's all I'm gonna put on it for now. And I'm just gonna wait for the oven to preheat and then put them in for 20 minutes. And then I'm gonna mix them up and then put them back in for another 20 minutes so they're nice and crispy.